Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run a background check or credit check through Assurant background checking and how it is integrated with Ultrastaff. For this purpose, I have pulled up our demo applicants and I have clicked on their information tab. And under this, you'll see background check. If you go over to the right for the drop-down, it will give you an option to click on Assurant, which will be the background check provider. That will bring up a link to the Assurant website. And it'll show you this information on the right-hand side. You'll want to make sure that this looks accurate to the best of your knowledge. You need all these fields are required, not the address line too, but or the driver's license, but the date of birth, email address is required. I'm going to select a package that's been already set up, and for 99% of our background checks, we're going to pick this 7-year unlimited criminal recommendation package. Under that, you're going to select your branch location. When you click submit, here's where it's actually going to jump you over to their website. A message has popped up here. Address has been removed due to incomplete data. Please verify the correct address is listed. This was the address that we had. It's 124 Main Street. You need to put in the candidate email address again. I'm going to use work at FlexStaff. We have to put in a gender. And we'll click continue. It asks for a middle name. They prefer to have a fully spelled out middle name, but if all we have is a middle initial, you can select the option candidate supplied a middle initial. Click continue. There's a certification saying that we're providing them with all the information we need to. So you need to click yes on that. We're going to get to this to review, and this is the final step. So you must click finish in order to submit the order. I'm not going to click it in this case because I don't want to do a actual check on demo. But here's what we would be getting charged. It's $17.95, and it covers multiple counties. It does cover a consumer report. I'm going to cancel out of this at this point, and I'll show you where where results show up in Ultrastaff. I'm going to close out of Demi, and I'm going to pull up a person that I've done a test background check on, and that's this actual applicant. I have done a background check on, and to get to the results, within a day or so, because this does, Assurant goes through the counties that the person has lived in previously. Some of those counties do take time in order to get. It can be a day, it can be a couple days. If they have multiple counties over, it could be a week. This one was completed, I believe, within the first day that I had sent it. And then you'll see right here where it says results completed. That'll let you know that you can look at the results. And then look at the results, you click on the plus sign there, and then you can click on anywhere here, but I usually just click on the date because I know for sure that's going to open it. It opens up another window, which gives you the complete report, and it'll show you, records found. Records found means that there's something bad on the record, and this one, in this case, they found something in Illinois. So that should about do it for how to run the Assurant background checks through Ultrastaff and where to get the results.